Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a business that practically operates itself, freeing up your time, increasing revenue, and reducing stress? What if you can make this happen in just a few hours without needing technical skills or complicated coding? Let me introduce you to the world where automation does the heavy lifting for you. For years, I've been coaching entrepreneurs and businesses just like you, helping them scale their operations and reclaim their time. The biggest game changer? Automation. But here's the truth. For a long time, it wasn't easy to set up. It felt like you needed to be a tech wizard to make things happen and work. That's not the case anymore. Technology has finally caught up. For now, you don't need to know a single line of code to start automating your business. Whether it's creating workflows, setting up customer follow-ups, or even adding AI-powered chatbots to your website, it's now as simple as clicking a few buttons. And here's why this matters. 80% of business owners have heard of automation, 90% have no clue how to implement it, and 100% are ready to pay someone to make it happen for them. This is a massive opportunity, and I want to help you seize it. That's why I created the 30-day automation challenge, a complete step-by-step system to teach you how to automate your business, boost productivity, and unlock your business's true potential. In just 30 days, you'll learn the foundations of automation, build workflows that eliminate repetitive tasks, scale your business without scaling your workload. No experience, no problem. No tech background, even better. You'll get everything you need to succeed. And I'll walk you through the process step by step. Here's how to get started. Just click the link below and watch a video where I'll break down the entire process. I'll show you the tools in action, and you have a complete understanding of exactly how the automation can transform your business. Plus, you'll get the chance to join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs in a free 30-day challenge designed to help you take action. This isn't about selling you something. It's about giving you the knowledge and tools to change the way you work forever. The only thing you need to invest right now is your time. So, if you're ready to break free from the daily grind and finally build a business that works for you, click the link below, watch the video, and join the challenge. This is your moment. Let's automate your business and unlock a whole new level of success. See you inside.